Hi there, my name is Dr. Nicole Siegfried and I'm a licensed clinical psychologist, and I hope you find this video helpful.
Mental health affects every aspect of our lives. We are happiest and healthiest when our mind, body, and spirit are all getting plenty of nourishment and exercise. When one part is neglected, the others feel the negative effects. So most health insurance providers recognize that mental health is health. If you have health insurance, it will likely cover some or all of your mental health care costs. Just like our physical bodies get sick or suffer from disease, our minds can also become unwell. A psychiatrist is a medical doctor who prescribes treatments for mental health conditions, and for many of them, psychotherapy is a first-line measure. The issue is that many mental health care providers only accept a couple of different insurance carriers. Paying out of pocket is sometimes an option, but it usually doesn't compare to the savings you get with insurance. Here at Lightfully, we accept many popular insurance plans for mental health and psychiatric services, including Blue Shield of California. When you first start searching for mental health care providers, you'll likely run into a few limitations. You have to consider which professionals work in your geographical area, what they specialize in, and if they accept your insurance. For instance, your choices may be limited to psychiatrists who accept Blue Shield of California if that's your insurer. Other things you might consider are how many years they've been in practice, or what kinds of credentials they might have. Knowing what level of care you need is just as important as choosing the right care provider. At Lightfully, our programs are a bit more comprehensive than just weekly outpatient therapy. Our levels of care range from several hours of daily outpatient treatment to 24-hour care in one of our home-like residences. Lightfully is a Blue Shield of California psychiatric and mental health care partner. If you have this coverage, our outpatient and residential programs may be deeply discounted or even free for you. At Lightfully, we can help with the following psychiatric conditions. First, trauma-related disorders like post-traumatic stress disorder. Also, personality disorders like borderline personality disorder, narcissistic personality disorder, avoidant personality disorder, or histrionic personality disorder. We also treat mood disorders like generalized anxiety disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, panic disorders, major depressive disorder, bipolar disorder type 1 and 2, and complicated grief. We also treat other symptoms like suicidality and self-harm behaviors. California residents love Lightfully for a lot of reasons. We're female-founded and female-owned, which isn't always easy to find in behavioral health. Lightfully is also one of the first and only mental health care providers focused solely on primary mental health care. We treat the whole person with clinical expertise, deep compassion, and a rigorous commitment to measurable results. Our clinics are communities where everyone is seen, heard, and valued as their authentic selves, including our staff. We take care of ourselves and each other. A few other reasons people choose Lightfully are our locations. We have beautiful home-like residences and treatment centers in the Bay Area, Thousand Oaks, Los Angeles, and San Diego. We also offer virtual programming. Clients can participate in treatment at home with our virtual services, including VIOP and VPHP. Our approach is also whole person-centered treatment. Our staff knows that you are more than your diagnosis, so each client gets a holistic, personalized treatment plan. We use the precision care model to optimize core human processes that work together for wellness. We also have favorable outcomes. Lightfully clients see a significant decrease in symptoms during treatment, and 91% would recommend Lightfully to someone else seeking mental health care treatment. We know you expect high-quality, proactive care from professionals that you can trust. That's why at Lightfully, we designed our clinics to be the perfect environments for evidence-based, clearly defined, data-driven, and whole person-centered care. Change is possible. When you're ready to take the first step, reach out to our admissions team. We'll take the next steps together towards the fullest, brightest version of you.